Guys, it's Jo from Blend, and today I'm going to be taking you through a really quick video on how to use custom data to personalize your email flows in Klaviyo. Klaviyo makes it exceptionally easy to send targeted messages to your customers, to build both brand loyalty and brand community, and to get your message to the right person at the right time. Creating these exceptional and personalized experiences is key to building an engaged customer base that keeps coming back for a second, third, and fourth time. So how do we go about personalizing our email flows? Like with all email flows, segmentation is essential. But specifically with welcome flows, you need to understand where your customers are at in their journey. Segmentation increases their customer experiences, increases the personalization, and introduces your customers to areas of your store that they perhaps didn't know existed. Start by segmenting customers by their source. It's all very good and well to know that your customers have signed up, but to know where they've signed up from will give you a unique insight into how different customers interact with your store after the sign-up process. If you have a quiz on your storefront, you can also use your flows to segment customers based on their unique quiz data, or direct customers who haven't completed your quiz to do so. By segmenting customers based on their preferences, interests, and goals, you can tailor the messaging in each flow to be specific to them, giving them personalized product recommendations if they haven't purchased from you before, or by cross-selling complementary products based on their preferences and purchase history. You can then use this information to segment your welcome flows, abandoned cart flows, and win-back flows, and give each subscriber a personalized and tailored email experience, which is sure to delight and engage your customers time and time again. If you love the information we have shared but don't have time to work through the implementation, Blend would be happy to help you leverage personalization within your Klaviyo email flows to help you maximize your return on investment.